Hello, this is teacher Lonelen. In this video, I will teach you how to write the equation of a line using 2.4. But before, but before we start, I will read the learning competencies for grade 8. Write the graph of a linear equation in terms of its intercept and slope. And later on, we will use the Desmos graph. So the formula for 2-point form is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 minus x sub 1. The x sub 1 and y sub 1, this is the form coordinate in first point, and x sub 2, comma, y sub 2 is the coordinate in second point. Meaning we will use the 2-point form and this given is 2 points. Next is slope, intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. M is slope, b equals y intercept. We also have standard form ax plus by equals c, where a and b equals integers and c is constant. So here's the example. Write the equation of the line that passes through the given point. First point is 10, negative 4, and second point is 8, 6. The formula we will use is the 2-point form. Y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 and x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. First point, x sub 1 is 10, then y sub 1 is negative 4. Second point is x sub 2 is 8 and y sub 2 is 6. After this, we will identify the given. We will substitute to our formula. Y minus y sub 1 is negative 4 equals y sub 2 is 6 minus y sub 1 is negative 4 over x sub 2 is 8 minus y sub 1 is 10 times x minus x sub 1 is 10. Okay? After we substitute, we will simplify the equations. We have y plus 4 equals 2 negative, it's give you a positive. Is 6 plus 4 divide 8 minus 10 times x minus 10. Next move, we will combine like terms we have. Y plus 4 equals 10 divide 8 minus 10 equals negative x minus 10. Y plus 4 equals 10 divide minus 2 equals negative 5 times x minus 10. This equation, you can consider this as a final slope form. Since is this a point slope form, then we will write this equation to slope intercept form. Since this is a point slope form, Then rewrite this equation to slope-intercept form. We will distribute -5 to their binomials. Y plus 4 equals -5, x, then -5 times -10 is +50. We will know that the slope-intercept, we will remain only in the left side is y. We will remove 4. So y equals -5x plus 50. We will move +4. It will become -4. Combine lighter. Y equals -5x 50 minus 4 equals +46. So, y -5 plus 46, it will slope-intercept form. So, we will identify the slope form. Slope is -5 and then y-intercept is equals 46. What if we convert or rewrite the slope-intercept form to standard form? Okay, class, the standard form is y and x will be at left side on equation. We will the -5 x to left side. So 5x plus y equals 46. So it will be our standard form. Did you understand, class, the three forms? Our first equation is point slope equation form, then slope intercept form, and last is standard form. Now, class, we will proceed to Desmos graph. Desmos Graph is an online graphing calculator that allows users to create graphs of mathematical functions, plot data, explore transformations, and much more. It's commonly used by students, teachers, and professionals for visualizing mathematical concepts and solving equations. So, to graph the equation in Desmos, we will input the point slope form. Y plus 4 equals -5 times x minus 10. Desmos will automatically recognize this as point slope form and graph it accordingly. And for the slope intercept form, we will input y equals -5x plus 36. Desmos will graph these equations as a straight line with a slope of -5 and a y-intercept of 46. And the last equation's standard form, we will input 5x plus y equals 46. Desmos will graph this equation as a straight line by rearranging it into slope-intercept form. So class, you can input each of these equations separately into Desmos. To graph them individually or input all three together to see them plotted on the same graph for comparison. So that's it, class. I hope you will learn from this video. Thank you.